If you're after a crispy, cheeky snack that the kids will love and grown-ups will steal off their plate, here we go with my Digwell's Doggy Dippers. They're great for Halloween and great for party snacks. And all you need to make around 20 of these mini munches is 5 hot dogs, frankfurters, use the thin ones, a kilogram of potatoes that have been peeled and boiled, leave the potatoes quite big, makes them easier to grate, some parmesan cheese, some flour, herbs of your choice and some oil to fry them in. Let the potatoes cool down a bit and coarsely grate them into a bowl. This is where it's best to leave the potatoes quite big. They may take a little bit longer to boil, but they're easier to grate in the end. In with 2 tablespoons of flour, 100 grams of parmesan, and the dried herbs of your choice. I used mixed herbs for this one, but oregano works very well on its own. Give them all a good mix together. Cut your frankfurters into 5 pieces. The thin ones are definitely better for this. Grab a handful of the mix, squash it down a little bit, plonk a piece of the frankfurter on top and form the potato mix around it. Add a little bit more as needed and shape it into a little cylinder. And repeat until you run out of frankfurter or run out of potato mix. I reckon a kilogram of potatoes will do the 5 hot dogs, the 5 frankfurters easily. Now an important step, this next bit, don't skimp it. These have got to go in the freezer for 30 minutes. They need to set a little bit before they hit the hot oil. To cook these tots, you can either deep fry them, shallow fry them or oven bake them. I'm deep frying mine because the pan was ready from a previous recipe. If you're deep frying them, have the oil around 175 Celsius. If you're oven baking them, I suggest 200 Celsius for about 20-25 minutes, but in any case, whichever way you cook them, they need to be nice and golden brown when you've finished. And with my deep frying, these took about 5 or 6 minutes. That's it. And when they're cooked, pop them onto a bit of kitchen tissue to drain. Not that they needed it, but it also helps them rest a little bit. And here we go then, guys. What are we going to call these? Hot dog tots? Dog tots? Frank tots? Well, I'll think of some up. Here we go then. No sauce. Crunchy. They're nice. Oh yeah. And I'll tell you what I like about this. You can put whatever herbs you want in. Even the parmesan's melted a bit, look. Well, I'll save those for a snack later on. That is another double diggy thumbs up. I'm on a roll here, guys. Look after yourselves, take care, and I will catch you on that next recipe.